Welcome back. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a painful leg cramp or felt a sudden cramp while walking, you know how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. Today, I'm going to show you a simple 30-second stretch that can stop leg cramps fast and help prevent them from coming back. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll also share some tips that make this stretch even more effective. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more quick pain relief techniques like this one. Leg cramps often happen when your muscles contract involuntarily. This can occur for many reasons, such as dehydration, mineral deficiencies like potassium or magnesium, overuse of muscles, poor circulation, or even just sleeping in an awkward position. The calf muscles are particularly prone to cramps, especially when you're walking, running, or lying down at night. That tight, sudden pain is your muscle signaling that it needs attention? Let's start with the first stretch. Stand with your feet flat on the ground about hip-width apart. Take a step back with one leg while keeping your front knee slightly bent. Press your back heel into the floor while keeping your back leg straight. You should feel a stretch along your calf. Hold this for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and letting the muscle gently relax. This simple movement helps lengthen the calf muscle and ease the cramp almost immediately. If you're in the middle of a cramp while walking or standing, here's a quick trick. Stand tall and lift the heel of the cramped leg off the ground, keeping your toes on the floor. Bend your knee slightly and press down on your toes to stretch the bottom of your foot and calf at the same time. You'll feel relief within seconds. Try repeating this movement 2 or 3 times until the muscle softens. Another powerful way to release a leg cramp is to sit down and extend your leg in front of you. Flex your toes towards your body, keeping your leg straight. You can also use a towel or strap around the ball of your foot to gently pull your toes toward you. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Doing this while breathing deeply encourages the muscle fibers to relax and return to their normal length. It's important to perform these stretches gently. Many people make the mistake of forcing the muscle, which can make the cramp worse or even cause injury. Think of it like telling your muscle, it's okay to relax now. Gentle, steady stretching combined with slow, controlled breathing is far more effective than trying to push through the pain. Now, prevention is just as important as immediate relief. Hydration plays a key role. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your muscles functioning properly. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are essential to prevent cramping. Bananas, spinach, yogurt, nuts, and even drinking coconut water can help keep your electrolyte levels balanced. Footwear also matters. Shoes that don't support your arch or heel properly can increase your risk of leg cramps, especially during walking or running. Make sure your shoes fit well and provide good cushioning. Stretching your calves before and after long walks or workouts is another habit that can significantly reduce cramps. Sometimes your sleeping position can trigger cramps. If you tend to curl up in bed, try gently stretching your legs before lying down. Flex your feet, point your toes up, and do some ankle rotations. This wakes up the muscles and prevents them from tightening during the night. Placing a pillow under your knees can also help relieve tension in your calves. Consistency is key. Performing this 30-second stretch daily, even when you don't have cramps, trains your muscles to stay loose and flexible. Over time, you'll notice fewer nighttime cramps and less discomfort when walking or exercising. One more trick during a sudden cramp is massage. Use your fingers to knead the cramped muscle, working from the bottom of the calf up toward the knee. This increases blood flow and helps the muscle relax faster. You can even roll your calf on a foam roller if the cramp is particularly stubborn. If you experience frequent leg cramps, it might indicate underlying issues like circulation problems or mineral deficiencies. In that case, consider talking to a healthcare professional. But for most people, these simple stretches combined with proper hydration and nutrition are enough to stop cramps quickly and prevent them in the future. Remember, the next time you feel a cramp while sleeping or walking, stop immediately. Perform the 30-second stretch, breathe deeply, and gently release the muscle. You'll feel relief faster than you expect. And the best part is, these stretches are simple, require no equipment, and can be done anywhere at home, at work, or even outdoors. So, if this stretch helps you, hit the like button, share it with friends who also struggle with leg cramps, and subscribe for more quick relief techniques. In part 2, I'll share advanced variations of this stretch, tips for preventing cramps in multiple areas of your legs, and a secret technique that athletes use to keep muscles cramp-free even during intense activity. Stay tuned because these additional steps will make a huge difference in your daily comfort and mobility. If you're still struggling with leg cramps, don't worry. In this part, I'm going to show you advanced stretches and prevention strategies that target multiple muscles in your legs. These are the techniques athletes and physiotherapists often use to stay cramp-free, and you can do them in just a few minutes a day. Make sure to stay until the end because these steps can completely transform how your legs feel while walking, exercising, or sleeping. Let's start with a deeper stretch for your calves and hamstrings. Sit on the floor with both legs extended in front of you. Reach forward and try to touch your toes, keeping your back straight. Even if you can't reach far, just hold whatever position is comfortable. This stretch targets not only your calves, but also your hamstrings and lower back, all of which play a role in preventing leg cramps. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds, then relax and repeat 2 more times. Next, we'll focus on the soleus muscle, which lies underneath your calf. Stand facing a wall and place both hands on it. Step one leg back and bend both knees slightly while keeping your heels on the floor. You should feel a deep stretch in the lower part of your calf, closer to the Achilles tendon. Hold this position for 30 seconds per leg. This stretch is especially helpful if your cramps often occur at night or after walking long distances. For your quadriceps, which are the muscles at the front of your thigh, stand tall and grab your ankle behind you, gently pulling your heel toward your glutes. Keep your knees close together and your torso upright. This stretch relieves tension in the front of your leg, which balances the muscles around your knees, and helps prevent cramps in both the front and back of your thighs. Hold for 30 seconds on each leg, breathing deeply throughout. Ankle mobility is another factor in preventing leg cramps. Sit on a chair or the floor and slowly rotate your ankles in both directions. Then flex and point your toes 10 times for each foot. This increases blood flow and signals your muscles to relax, reducing the likelihood of sudden cramping while walking or exercising. Now let us talk about a secret technique many professional athletes use: progressive muscle relaxation combined with stretching. After performing your 30-second stretches, gently tense your calf or thigh for about 5 seconds, then release. This tension and release pattern helps the muscle reset and improve circulation. Repeat 2 to 3 times per leg. You'll notice your muscles feel softer and more relaxed almost immediately. Hydration and nutrition play a crucial role in preventing cramps. Drinking water is essential, but adding electrolytes can make a huge difference. Consider a natural approach with fruits like bananas, oranges, or watermelon, which are high in potassium. Nuts and seeds provide magnesium, while dairy products give calcium. Maintaining balanced electrolytes ensures your muscles contract and relax properly, reducing cramp frequency. Lifestyle habits also matter. Avoid standing or sitting in one position for too long. If you have a desk job, take a few minutes every hour to walk around or do light calf raises. Even gentle movements like tapping your toes or rolling your ankles under your desk can keep muscles loose and prevent cramps. Sleeping positions are often overlooked. If you tend to sleep with your feet pointed downward or curled under the blanket, your calves can tighten, causing night cramps. Try sleeping on your back with your feet in a neutral position or using a pillow under your knees. Gentle stretching right before bed can significantly reduce cramps during the night. Let's go through a combined routine you can do daily for maximum effect. First, do the 30-second standing calf stretch. Next, perform the seated hamstring stretch. Follow that with the soleus stretch against the wall, then the quadriceps stretch, and finish with ankle rotations. Perform each stretch for 30 seconds, repeating 2 to 3 times if you have extra time. This routine takes only a few minutes but dramatically reduces cramps over time. Another powerful tool is self-massage. Using your hands, gently knead your calves, hamstrings, and quads, working from your ankles up to your thighs. If you have a foam roller, roll each muscle for about 30 to 60 seconds. This releases tension, increases blood flow, and promotes faster muscle recovery. Combining massage with stretching helps your muscles stay soft and prevents painful cramps from appearing suddenly. If you're active in sports or walking long distances, consider warming up before activity. Simple dynamic stretches like calf raises, walking on tiptoes, or gentle leg swings increase circulation and prepare your muscles for movement. After activity, perform static stretches to lengthen muscles and prevent post-exercise cramps. This habit reduces the chance of cramps in both casual walking and intense workouts. Some people find relief with heat therapy. Applying a warm towel or heating pad to cramped muscles increases blood flow and relaxes muscle fibers. Alternating heat and gentle stretching can stop a cramp faster than stretching alone. Conversely, cold therapy like an ice pack is better for inflammation or soreness, but during an acute cramp, warmth usually provides quicker relief. Consistency is the key to long-term relief. Even if you only spend 5 minutes daily on stretches, over weeks your muscles will adapt, becoming more flexible and resilient. Nighttime cramps will occur less frequently, and your legs will feel lighter and more comfortable during walking, running, or standing. Finally, listen to your body. If cramps become severe, frequent, or are accompanied by swelling, numbness, or tingling, it could indicate an underlying medical condition. Don't ignore persistent pain. Consult a healthcare professional for proper assessment. But for the majority of people, this 30-second stretch routine, combined with proper hydration, nutrition, and daily movement, is all it takes to prevent leg cramps and improve overall leg comfort. So next time a cramp strikes while walking or in the middle of the night, remember these steps. Perform the 30-second stretch. Breathe deeply, gently massage the muscle if needed, and consider implementing this daily routine to prevent future cramps. Share these tips with friends and family because cramps are something almost everyone experiences at some point. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite tip, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss practical advice for fast, natural relief. Remember, consistent stretching, proper hydration, balanced electrolytes, and gentle daily movement are your secret weapons against leg cramps. By following these strategies, you can reclaim your nights, walk longer distances without pain, and enjoy daily activity without the fear of sudden cramps. Your legs will feel looser, lighter, and stronger in just a few weeks. And the best part is, these techniques are simple, safe, and require no expensive equipment or medication. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent with your stretches and enjoy cramp-free legs. Make this routine part of your daily life and notice the difference in comfort and mobility. With just 30 seconds per stretch, a few minutes a day, and mindful movement, leg cramps will no longer control your nights or your steps.